Picture this. You wake up, you pour your coffee, and your biggest decision is whether you're going to go to the pool, the beach, or have your grandkids come over for the weekend. Welcome to Woodfield in Vero Beach, where 55 plus doesn't mean slowing down. It means finally living on your terms. This move-in ready 3-bedroom, 2-bath split plan with a 2-car garage gives you all the space you want without the constant to-do list. Inside, you'll love the updated kitchen with granite counters and stainless steel appliances, perfect for pancake breakfasts with the grandkids. But the real magic is outside your front door. Resort-style pool and hot tub, a clubhouse with fitness and game rooms, tennis courts, and a calendar full of ways to stay active and social. And when you're ready for sand between your toes, Vero's gorgeous public beaches, shopping, and dining are just a short drive away. If you're ready to trade chores and upkeep for connection, comfort, and fun, this Woodfield home is calling your name. I'm Kellie Bowling with the Carpenter Kessel team. Give me a call to schedule your tour.